Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our worksheet related to percentage. Before that we had completed our work it out, that is in textbook B. So now we will start our worksheets. In worksheet 1 related to percent, let's start question number 1. What percentage of the whole is shaded? Part A, we have to count the shaded square so that we have to find out the percentage of the square that is shaded. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So how many squares are shaded? 36. It means 36% of the square is shaded. Another way is that look, 1, 2, 3, 4 equally in the squares are shaded. So we can multiply even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 9s are 36. Now move on to part B. In part B we have to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay. How many parts are shaded? It means 39 parts are shaded. We just have to count the shaded area and write the percentage. Same we have to do in part C. Okay, in part C we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23%. Now move on to part D. In part D again we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So how many blocks are shaded? 44%. This is the first question of your worksheet 1. Now move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the boxes. Part A is dash upon 100 is equal to 3%. So what we have to divide out of, with 100 that we get 3%. So that they are asking that 3% mean 3 out of 100. 3 parts out of 100. So it means that when we will divide 3 out of 100, so we will get 3%. Okay. Okay. Part B is 7%, so it means 7 out of 100. Okay, C 11% mean 11 out of 100. In denominator will come 100 instead of percent, and 11 will come in numerator. D 20 out of 100. And then we will move on to 35. E part 35 upon 100, and F 50 upon 100. This is the way when you have to write how 50% is given and you have to write in the fraction form. So it means that 50% means 50 out of 100. Question number 3 is express each of the following as percentage. 5 out of 100 mean 5%. 9 out of 100 mean 9%. 13 out of 100 mean 13%. 25 out of 100 mean 25%. And when they talk about 43 out of 100, it's 43%. And 70, 70%. 70 out of 100 means 70%. Okay, now move on to worksheet 2. Okay, worksheet 2 is related to percentages, to fractions and decimals and vice versa. Question number 1 is express each percentage as a decimal. So 70% we have to show in decimals. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to shift them into fraction. 70 upon 100. 70% means 70 upon 100. So after how many digits we have to play decimal? After 2 digits. So it will become 0.7. Okay. Now part B is 9%. 9%. So 9% means 9 upon 100. So it will become what? 0.09. Okay, it will become 0.09. Now question number 2 is express percentage as a decimal. Again we have to show them as a decimal. 51%. 51% mean what? 51 upon 100. So it will become 0.51. B part is 15%. So 15 upon 100. So it will become 0.15. Now come to C part, is equal to 34%. 34 upon 100 is equal to what? 0.34. Okay, now the D part, that is the last part of question number 2, is equal to 28%. 28%, 28 upon 100 is equal to 0.28. Okay, now move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is express each percentage as a fraction in its simplest form. Part A, they did little bit their self for you. Like 90% is equal to 90 upon 100. Now you have to change them into its simplest form. So 0 cut 0, what left? 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10, 9 and 10 won't come in any table together. So we can't cut. So our answer will become 9 upon 10. Now part B is 60% is equal to 60 upon 100. Again we can cut 0 with 0. What left? 6 upon 100. No, not 100 but 10, because we cut already 0 with 0. So it will become 6 upon 10. So now when we have to simplify this one, we can simplify because 6 and 10 both are divisible by 2. So it will become 3 upon 5. And 3 upon 5 is the simplest form because 3 and 5 won't come in any table together. Now start question number 4. Question number 4 is express each percentage as a fraction in its simplest form. Again, first of all, we have to change them into its fraction. 8 upon 100. So we have to check both are divisible by any number. Yes, both are divisible by 4. Like 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So it means 2 upon 25. And 2 upon 25 won't come in any table together. So this is its simplest form. 2 upon 25 is the simplest form for 8%. Okay, now part B. Part B is equal to 13%. 13% mean what? 13 upon 100. Okay, now 13 and 100 won't come in any table together. So directly 13 upon 100 while writing in its fraction form is in its simplest form already. So we have to do nothing. 13 upon 100 is the answer. Okay, now move on to part C. Okay, C, 44% is equal to what? 44 upon 100. So both are divisible by 4. It will become 11 and then again 25. So 25, 11 upon 25 again won't come in any table together, and so 11 upon 25 is the simplest form in fraction for 44%. Now D. D is equal to 75 upon 100 is equal to what? Both are divisible by 5. So it will become what? 15 upon what? 5 2s are 10, 0. Again they are divisible by 5. Okay, then what? It will become 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So 3 upon 4 is the simplest form in fraction for 75%. Now move on to question number 5. Okay, question number 5, express each decimal as a percentage. Now we have to change the decimal into percentage. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the decimal by 100. Okay, if 0.5 multiply by 100, it will become what? You know how to move the decimal in multiplication. You will move decimal towards your right up to 2 decimal places. 1, 2. So it will become 50%. It will become 50%. Okay, now come to next question. It is 0.05. So 0.05. Okay, then multiply by 100. Because we have to change in the percentage, so we will multiply with 100. So it will become what? It will become 5%. Okay, now move on to next question. It is 0.83. 0.83 multiply by 100. So we will get what? 83%. Okay. Next question is 0.45. 0.45 multiply by 100 and we will get 45%. Now 0.07. 0.07 multiply by 100. So it will become what? 7%. The last part of this question is 0.39. 0.39 multiply by 100 is equal to 39%. Okay, now move on to the question number 6. Question number 6 is express each fraction as a percentage. So what we have to do in part A, 30 upon 100, we simply multiply with 100. The main fraction with multiply with 100. So 30 upon 100 multiply with 100. So this 100 cut this 100. So our answer will become what? 30%. Okay, part B is 11 upon 20. So what we have to do in the next step, 11 upon 20 multiply with 100. So we can 0, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So it will become what? 11 multiply by 5. So it will become 55%. Okay, now move on to part C. Okay, part C is 27 upon 60. 27 upon 60, first of all we have to multiply 27 upon 60 multiply by 100. So this cut this one, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So it will become what left? 9 multiply by 5. So the answer will become 945%. Okay, now come to part D. Again what we have to do, we have to multiply with 100. Whatever the fraction is, when we have to change into the percentage, we will multiply simply with 100. Okay, this 0, and this 0, this 0. What left? 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. It will become what? 22%. Okay, this is all about question number 6. Now move on to question number 7. Now question number 7 is express each fraction as a percentage using a calculator. So need not to do calculator. What we have to do in part A, 18 upon 25. It will become 18 upon 25 multiplied by 100. And we know 25 1s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. So we will multiply 18 multiply with 4. So it will become what? 4 8s are 32. 2 3 carry. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. So it will become 72%. Now part B is 60 upon 150. Again 60 upon 150 multiply by 100. So this 0 cut this 0. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3 and then 3 2s are 6, 0. So what left? 20 multiply by 2 and then the answer will become 40%. Now move on to part C. Part C is equal to 17 upon 340, 17 upon 340 multiply by 100. So this one cut this one. 2 5s are 10 and 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. And what left? 17 upon 17. And 5 here, 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17. And what left? 5. So it will become what? 5%. Okay, 5% is the answer. And this is the last question of this worksheet. And in this video, we had covered two worksheet, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 related to your percentage. Now in the next video, we will do the work it out and then move on to the related worksheets. Okay, students, follow me in the next video.